Guys, this is an unboxing video of Cardo intercom system, the best in the world, you can say, compared to any other brand available in the market. So I have been using this from almost 5 6 years. So initially I bought up a bold model, which was the high end that time. I got a twin pack. One I used it for. I'm using it for my AGV K3 helmet, and one is with the Himalayan helmet actually. Royal Enfield's Himalayan helmet I have. In that I have using that. And then later on I upgraded to Edge model, Packtalk Edge. In that I bought a dual pack. In that one I am using for my latest helmet, which is K6 AGV, which I used. I bought when I got the Hayabusa for high speeds and all. So I wanted a better helmet, so I got that. So one is there, and one I gave it to my friend actually. So we shared that time. So now there was an offer on this Pro model, which is the latest one, high end and the best you can call it. So it's got some advanced features also, two, three features compared to the Edge. So this I am planning to use it for my adventure helmet, which is I think I'm planning to get an RI and co-branded with Ducati helmet. It's called Strada Tour, I think V5 or so. So mostly by next month I should get it. So somebody is carrying it from Italy directly. So on that I am planning to use this. So this feature is got crash detection feature, wherein when you fall from the bike or there is any accident, it will send a message to any contact number whichever you have pre-stored. So for your safety, if you are not responding within some 30 seconds to 1 minute, it will respond. Then it's got a 45 mm speaker, JBL speaker, which is more sound clarity is better and um, the best output you can get. Then other feature is it's auto switch off and switch on, wherein if there is no activity, there is no movement with the helmet, installed. When the Pro is installed on the helmet, and there is no movement of the helmet, then automatically it switches off to save battery. Earlier we had to all other models we had to physically switch off. If you forget to switch off, the battery used to get drained, and then it used to become an issue while riding when you're stopping for breakfast or lunch or something like that. So the advantage is automatically switches off, and again when you pick up the helmet, you wear it and ride, or it comes on automatically and it connects to your mobile when the Bluetooth is already connected. So that is an advantage. Three basic advantages: crash detection, 45 JBL speaker for better sound clarity, and auto on, switch off and switch on. Then additionally, they have mentioned here few things. Apart from that is air mount. It is a magnetic mount. You can just put it and it will latches on to the cradle. Then it has got natural voice operation, so your voice clarity is much better. Uh, Over the air software update it has got, so you can update it with the internet connection or whatever your mobile data. Then it has got second gen dynamic mesh communication. So around 15 riders you can connect up to. Then it's got IP67 waterproof, that is the rating, waterproof. Then range is around 1.6 kilometers. That's almost 1 mile you can say. Then it has got a cross band connectivity. I think different intercoms it can connect seamlessly. So these are the features. So it comes in. This is the actually pack. I had opened this. I had used it on my because the cradle is the same for all the for the edge and this, because it's a magnetic mount. So I had used this on the K6 helmet. Anyway, for unboxing, I just put it back inside. I will show you how it looks. So this is also 15% discount, as I told you, on the MRP. Uh, so I purchased this in India. Others were I actually got from abroad. So I got this from V Performance Vikas. Vikas, so Big Bad Bikes imports it, but then he's a dealer, so he gave me this. So I'll just open and show you how it looks. So this is the outer cover. This is the uh, internally you have a neat Cardo logo, blue and silver color. So opening is from this side. It's a hard case. It opens like this, and you can see the unit here. This is the unit. This is black in color. The edge was gray in color, and even the bolt was gray in color. So this is what it is. So now, because already I had paired it and all to my phone, so as soon as there is some movement, it will flash. No, it will flash like this. It just come on. So this is the basic unit. Is this simple black in color, Pro model. Then you have all other accessories here to connect it to your helmet and all, some manual and some stickers. This is a Cardo sticker here. Then you have a pouch here. So these are all connecting. I think speaker wires. See the speakers here in this. You can see some clinic installation, no, kit and all inside this. So these are the JBL 45 speakers. Then you have another cover here. I think here you have the mounts, the magnetic mount and the wiring and all that. So this is the magnetic mount. You can see to connect it to your helmet, and your this is the speaker you have that also can be connected inside the helmet. So this is the two things, and then they have given a pouch. I think this is with all the. Let me see what is in this. They've got some extra. Oh, thing. Okay, connect. Yeah, extra speak. I think it is. Oh, those were the covers. These are the speakers actually. 45 mm. Then the charging cable, USB, I think C type. So this is basically it. Nothing else in the cover. Nice pouch and all that. So this is supposed to be the best available in the market. Even in the whole world, it's the best compared to even other brands available in the market. So this is what it was, an unboxing. No, just showing you the. No, I think I had used this on K6 helmet, so I could feel better sound clarity and no, better connectivity, clarity in the voice when you speak in the phone and all. You could find that actually with this Pro model. So this is the latest model. So thank you very much, guys, for tuning in. So this is basically an unboxing video. So because I'm a rider, I keep upgrading few gadgets, riding gears and all that. So I put all these also on my channel because I want people to know as a rider what all I'm upgrading, and what all during my rides, what all the gadgets I'm using, the gears I'm wearing, all that. So that's the reason I have done an unboxing video. So you cannot, it's not very technically sound video. For that you can see the videos in Cardo. If you Google, sorry, in YouTube, you can check. There are from the official website itself. No, there are a lot of videos there. So this is what is then just unboxing and my upgrades I'm showing you. So I'll keep posting such videos like I'm getting some gears, my helmets and all that, whatever I'm getting for my Multistrada as well as for my Booza. So thanks very much, guys, for joining in. And if you like this content which I am putting, this is only basically for riders. Others may not feel it very, interesting or significant enough, but then, if you like this kind of videos, please do share, subscribe, and follow me so that it will motivate me. There's nothing you need to spend to subscribe and all that. It is just just having clicking the like button, sharing and subscribing, so that it will help me also to create such contents wherein it will be beneficial for the fellow riders. Thank you very much, guys. Bye.